day. Thanks for joining us on Leadership TV News. I am Cynthia Omondo. The Kano State Governor, Abba Kabir Yusuf, has inaugurated 2 Judicial Commissions of Inquiry, JCIs, on cases of misappropriation of public property, political violence, and missing persons in the state from 2015 to 2023. Inaugurating members of the JCI on Thursday, Governor Yusuf vowed to bring anyone found wanting to book, adding that it was part of his inaugural pledge to unravel and prosecute those behind cases of political violence recorded in the state before and during 2015, 2019, and 2023 general elections. The first commission of inquiry under Justice Naira Yusuf will look into cases of political violence and missing persons from 2015 to 2023. Inaugurating the second commission of inquiry under Justice Farouk Lawan, Governor Yusuf gave the commission the mandate of inquiring into cases of misappropriation of public properties and assets. He charged the commission to remain faithful to their oath and the people of Kano State and ensure justice for the state. Justice Abimbola Awoboro of the Federal High Court in Lagos on Friday convicted controversial cross-dresser Idris Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky, for abusing the Naira and fixed April 9th for sentencing. The court fixed the date after Bobrisky pleaded guilty to a 4-count charge of tampering with the 490,000 Naira by spraying brought against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). Earlier, the EFCC, through its counsel, Suleiman, had withdrawn the 2 counts of laundering 180.7 million Naira through his company, Bob Express. The EFCC's counsel, however, did not give any reason for the decision. The prosecution then tendered the video and the court admitted it without objecting from the defense lawyer, Ayo Olumofin. And following the plea of the convict, Justice Awoboro convicted him and then ordered the anti-graft agency to review the facts of the case. In his allocutus, the convict pleaded with the court to counter justice with mercy because he was unaware of the law that criminalized abuse of the Naira. After listening to the parties, Justice Awoboro adjourned the matter to April 9th for sentencing and also remanded the convict in the custody of the EFCC. The Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission (NERC) has slammed a fine of 200 million Naira on the Abuja Electricity Distribution PLC (AEDC) over the DISCO's non-compliance with the supplementary order to the April 2024 multi-year tariff order 2024 for power distribution companies DISCOs. NERC discloses enforcement action against AEDC in a letter to its acting managing director Victor Ojelabi dated April 5th, 2024 and on leadership on Friday. According to the letter, AEDC was fined for the flagrant breach of the Commission's order for failing to comply with the prescribed customer band classification for the tariff billing. The Commission said this decision followed a detailed review and customer feedback, which revealed that AEDC had applied the new tariff of 225 Naira per kilowatt hour to all customers' bands, contrary to the order, which was designed to ensure fair billing practices. The NERC therefore ordered AEDC to reimburse all customers in bands B, C, D, E, respectively, that were billed above the allowed customer categories and tariff bands provided in the order. The Commission also mandated AEDC to reimburse through the provisions of the balance of customer tokens that the affected customers would be entitled to receive at the applicable rates, and all token reimbursements shall be issued to the affected customers by April 11th, 2024. The DISCO is also required to pay the 200 million Naira fine and file evidence of the compliance with the directives with the Commission by April 12th, 2024. Unknown gunmen on Thursday invaded Algojuju Odo community in Amwala local government area of Kogi State, killing 19 persons and setting several houses ablaze. Covering the incident on Friday, the police public relations officer, Kogi State Command, William Aya, said the yet-to-be-identified gunmen attacked the community on Thursday evening. Aya disclosed that the divisional police officer in, or rather office in the local government, informed him that 19 people were killed while some sustained injuries during the attack. The Kogi police spokesperson said the Commissioner of Police CP Bertrand Onuoha has deployed more personnel to the community while assuring that the perpetrators of the heinous act will be apprehended. Meanwhile, local sources said the gunmen attacked the sleepy Agbojeju town where they killed the victims and destroyed farm products. The community appealed to the Kogi State Governor Usman Ododo and security operatives to come to their aid by deploying more security personnel to the area. And now finally, to some sports news, the Nigeria Football Federation has commiserated with legendary former footballer and Nigeria captain Olusegun Odegbami on the death of his son Oluwagbeminiyi Odegbami. The legend himself, who was a top scorer at the 1980 Africa Cup of Nations as Nigeria won its first title, made the sad news public on Thursday when he announced that the young man passed away last Friday. The General Secretary of Nigeria Football Federation, Dr. Mohammed Sanusi, emphasized with the 1980 African winner. The NFF scribe said the Federation and the entire Nigeria football fraternity have been praying for the repose of the soul of Oluwagbeminiyi since the unfortunate news broke on Wednesday. He added that the Federation marveled at the ex-international's unflagging love and zest for the Nigerian game. We pray that God gives him the fortitude to pull through these difficult moments and also grant the department young man eternal rest, the NFF said. Well, that sums up our news here on Leadership TV. For more of our news stories, you can log on to our website, www.leadership.ng. Many thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. For sponsorship and advert placements, please contact 080 3688 61